This story is about the mountain that loved a bed. It was written by Alice McLaren, and the pictures were made by Eric Kale. There was once a mountain made of bare stone. It